Hello everyone, this is Christine and welcome back to my channel. Today I will share to you my version of chicken buffalo wings. So, let's get started! So first, prepare natin yung ating chicken wings. Lagay ako ng salt. Then pepper. And paprika. Then mix lang natin. Then maglalagay ako ng kaunting cornstarch. Then, prepare natin yung ating coat. And while ginagawa ko ito is, nagpihit na ako ng oil natin. This one is flour. Then, lagay ako ng cornstarch. Nadabayan ko lang yung flour. Then, lagay tayo ng paprika. Naglalagay ako ng kaunting magic. Pero kung ayaw nyo, pwede namang salt lang. Then, pepper. Mix lang natin. So, coat lang natin yung ating chicken. Diretso fry. So, continue lang natin yung pagpa-fry and once it's done, check natin. So, ito yung ating first batch ng chicken. Then, ito na yung second. And, bale, done na ito. Isi-set aside ko para maluto na natin yung ating sauce. So, for our sauce, maglalagay ako ng butter. Then, garlic and green onion. Then, kaunting chili flakes. Paprika. Then, maglalagay ako ng ketchup. Ayan. Ito yung ginagamit ko, UFC Hot and Spicy. Kasi, gusto ko yung anghang niya and yung color niya. Then, kaunting vinegar and sugar. Then, maglalagay lang ako ng kaunting seasoning. So, tinikman ko na yung sauce. Okay na siya. So, ibabalik ko na dito yung ating chicken. itotoss lang natin hanggang sa ma-cover ng sauce yung chicken wings. So, this is done. Bali, ita-transfer ko na lang ito sa ating serving dish. So, here's my version of chicken buffalo wings. Ayan. Napakaganda and napakabango and naaamoy ko yung kanyang spiciness. There. So, I hope you guys can try this. Cook this for your family. And thank you so much sa mga nagsusupport sa aking channel and sa mga bago sa aking channel. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa aking next videos. God bless everyone and see ya. Bye!